Let's use a claw machine to get the gift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gifts. Who's gonna get the yellow gift? I said, who's gonna get the yellow gift? Alright, 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 alright.
Big monkey!
What's inside? A yellow canoe? Let's go!
Watch out for the tiger!
Good job!
Let's use the claw machine to get the gift. 1, 2, 3, 4 gifts. Who's gonna get the green gift? I said, who's gonna get the green gift? Alright, 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 alright.
Quizar!
What's inside? A green spaceship! Let's go!
Watch out for the space invaders!
Entering warp speed.
Good job!
Let's use the claw machine to get the gift. 1, 2, 3 gifts. Who's gonna get the purple gift? I said, who's gonna get the purple gift? Alright, alright, alright.
Surfing Panda!
What's inside? A purple surfboard! Go!
Watch out for the sharks!
Good job!
Let's use the claw machine to get the gift. 1, 2 gifts. Who's gonna get the red gift? I said, who's gonna get the red gift? Alright.
Veggie Vlad!
What's inside? A red car! Let's go!
Watch out for the werewolf!
Good job!
Let's use a claw machine to